Okay, got the neighbor's drive finished up. House over there. Working on this one. Need to get some more rock put on this one. The previous owner just hadn't put any down in a long time. I'll give you a peek of what I'm doing with the backhoe here. Digging out these stumps. So you can see there I'm cutting the limbs off. And I want to dig out this side. I may eventually dig out this side as well. But I've got this concrete retaining wall. I'd like to widen this driveway. It's not really wide enough, but that's a big project. This one, I think I'm just gonna rip these out and put a row of aspens in here. I don't really like these bushes. Big root balls. You can see, I mean, these are, and they're all kind of knotted together. You know, that's a root that was down in the ground. That's a big piece of that to be down in the ground. And they're all kind of grown together. So they're really hard to rip out. But I'm gonna get some blades, get some diesel for a little green machine here. Keep on digging. All right, today we're getting some road base. We got rid of all the bushes. So about this little, I don't know, 6 foot wide strip here needs some road base because it's all soft. I'm gonna cut off these roots that are still sticking out and get some road base in here. And eventually I might get some nice red crushed Wyoming rock for this, but for now, that's what we're gonna get. All right, let's fire this up. It was running earlier, but it's been a few hours and it's pretty cool today. So it's gonna be a nice cold start. The glow plugs. Not bad, pretty smooth. Should bump it off here. It's 10 tons. It's actually just shy of 10 tons, but that'll get me started. See how far it goes. Husky. Rip this root off. Trying to keep it out of the dirt. There we go. I'll eventually be doing a review on that little Husky, but it's a good saw. It was cheap and cuts good. Okay, here you can see what I'm trying to accomplish. Getting it all spread out. So I put it all in here. I actually need to go right up to these pavers, so I'll spread this. But this stuff packs in really nice, this road base. I wanted to use road base on this side because it's so soft. Had plants, bushes in here that we ripped out. But you can see, I'm putting it over on the driveway too. So what I'm doing is getting a scoop of it, kind of spreading it out with the bucket, and then turning around and grabbing it with the box blade and distributing it up and down the driveway. And I think I'm going to get most of the driveway with what I ordered. So you can see what I had before was kind of river rock. This road base will pack in on top of that, nice. But what I've got with the box blade is I have it set very non-aggressively. So if I lower it down, you'll see that the front there is still off the ground. So this front blade really isn't cutting at all. But this back blade is smoothing. And that's, I'll probably level it out some more, but for just moving material around, I can still get a box full and I can spread it out pretty nice. So I'll take you with me and we'll get a bucket. I'll show you how I'm spreading it. Low gear, I like to run about 2,500. Box blade. I've got my position control set there. So I'm also not allowing the full weight of the box blade. So it's really not aggressive at all. Right. Drop the blade. A little, spread this out. We'll take a little weight off of it. If I do it right, you'll see that box empty out. Up here is where I need to spread the gravel. There we go. Empty her out. is really not enough ballast for what I'm doing right now. I really should have more ballast. It's working, but if I get a really full bucket, you can feel the back end get really light. Alright. See how smooth we can spread this out. Blade. There we go, it's empty. Okay, here's the pass we just did. Looking pretty good. Get some more and put on that part of the driveway. I think that'll about finish up my pile there. So, check back and show you the final product. Okay, here is the finished product. Got 10 ton all spread out. I think it looks pretty good. My initial thoughts are that once I learn how to use a box blade better, I'm getting better. I'm getting better and better results. I never would have thought to angle it back like that, but watching some other people who are good with them, can't remember all the names, but Mike Morgan, you know, Hamiltonville Farms, all those guys, Tractor Time with Tim. Anyway, they certainly know what they're doing, and they can get good results. And using some of their tricks, working out pretty good. You can see he dumped a whole pile basically right here, and I've got it all pretty level. I'm gonna take a rake and work on these edges, get rid of all these stupid sticks from ripping out all the bushes. But overall, it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I've got to get this giant load of bushes, branches, that you can see on my trailer. Gotta get the tarp on that and get it to the compost facility before they close. So all the bushes we tore out on this side, my buddy skid steer ripped them out below the roots. So you can see there's a giant mountain. Took one whole row of these out. We're gonna leave the junipers, plant some trees here. So I gotta get rid of that giant mountain of bushes. But all the other ones, we cut the limbs off of them and piled the stumps up back here, because my compost place won't take stumps. But it's a whole trailer load of limbs. So I'm gonna get a tarp on here and get going. So stay tuned. We will have more video with the little green machine.